good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you're seeing this video. What's going on, hashtag JRideReviews family? Today we have another epic review. Today we'll be reviewing a 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Series 2. This thing is loaded. We're going to go over the interior, the exterior, and if y'all hang tight for just a little while longer, we're going to take it for a spin. Can it compete with the Navigator or the Escalade? Let's dive in.
Now, let's get to work.
All right, crew, we have a 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. I've done the regular Wagoneer, and now today I had the opportunity to do the Grand Wagoneer. The major difference, more luxurious. It's here to compete with the Cadillac Escalade, the Lincoln Navigator. The regular Wagoneer comes with the 5.7 Hemi. This one has the 6.4 392. So if y'all hang tight for a little while longer, we're going to go ahead and take it for a spin. Right up here up front, probably real hard to see me with the sun. Got chrome everywhere, nice 7-slot grille. You got a front camera, you got sensors up here, you got LED fog lights, LED headlights, LED turn signals. The low beams and the high beams are all LED. Nice touches here. Come around the side, comes with factory 22-inch wheels. So they are a 285 45 R22. Come along the side here. You have the turn signals here in the mirrors. You have the Grand Wagoneer emblem there. These do have power folding running boards. Go ahead and see that. There they go. They fold down for you. Close the door. Give them a little bit. Give them a little bit. Give them a little. There it is. They go back in. Nice flat side here. Come around the side. I love the chrome everywhere around the different window panels there. Nice touches there around here to the back. You don't see the exhaust, well, just barely. It does have dual exhaust. They hang out maybe ½ inch out of the bumper. Nice touches there. You got your LED reverse lights right here. Down at the bottom of the bumper, you got a tow cover, so you can take that off to get to the tow hitch. You got your LED brake lights. As you can see, they do the, I call it the Mustang sweep. So you see they got a nice pattern to them, nice touches there. Got the Grand Wagoneer. This does come with the Premier paint. So what that does, you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see the sparkles in there. It's got nice glittery look to it, nice touches there. This is Quadra Drive. This is a Series 2. You even have the sensors to the side here. Nice profile, tall, boxy, looks really, really good. Let me go back around the front here. I want to show you something else real quick. And of course, JRideReviews, review by JRideReviews. Y'all please subscribe to the channel for me. Hit the bell notification so you can see all my reviews and go from there. I have fun, man. Y'all stay tuned for the Tesla test drive and review as well. The first time driving a Tesla, it was a Model 3 with the dual motor. That thing, sick. So there it is. There's the exterior. Let's go over the interior real quick. Y'all hang tight. I'm sorry today, I can't beat the shadows. They're everywhere. So here are your seat adjustments here on the door panel. You got high quality materials, nice metal trim, soft touch everywhere. This is a premium vehicle. So in order to compete with the big dogs, you got to use the right stuff. And this definitely does not disappoint. So you have these beautiful leather wraps. Nice contrast stitching to them. You got the Grand Wagoneer logo on the side of the seat right there. Looks like it'll light up at night. These are heated and ventilated. Very nice touches here. Let's go ahead and hop on in real quick. Ooh, that AC feels good. It got hot today. So we're inside here. All right. You got a nice leather wrap steering wheel, nice 10 and 2 grips. You got your radio controls behind there. Let me turn the hazard blinkers off. You do have manual capabilities here, which this is a push button. This does have the ZF 8-speed, made it to the 6.4 392 engine. Great power band. We'll see how that goes when I drive it. Let's go ahead and get it started up here. Oops. Push button start, of course. As you can see there, they even got a nice chrome bezel around that with the leather wrapped metal trim behind it. You got this big LED gauge cluster here. Got all kind of goodies in there. You do have different drive modes here. There's sport, there's auto, snow, sand and mud. So we'll go ahead and just put it back in auto for now. You got the big screen here. Let's see, what did I do here? It does have, it does adjust the ride height on this bad boy as well. Nice touches here. If I turn the screen off or not.
See, bye. I use it all the.
Whoa. Okay, so here's the gauge cluster. Let's turn up these. There we go. Okay, so the lights were turned down. I was wondering what was going on here. So there's the big screen right there for you guys. Like I said, nice quality materials here. Here's a USB port, contrast stitching, big center console down in there. This is a cooled unit, so it is like a little mini cooler, mini fridge there. Nice touches there, if y'all can see that. All right, you got your dual cup holders. I love this metal trim. You got trim. You got a little bit of gloss black here. Your drive modes here. Right now it's in 4-wheel drive low. You can adjust the ride height right here, which is a nice touch. Got all kind of goodies here. Tow haul mode, lane departure mode here. And these buttons here have the haptic feature to them, so they kind of like buzz when you push them. So you got your cigarette lighter here. You got some USB ports. You got 1, 2, 3. You got an HDMI port. You got this big reverse camera here. It's actually a 360 camera. You have different views here. Nice touch. Right here you can turn on the heated seats, zones for the back there, ventilated seats, and it does have a heated steering wheel. So like I said, if this is what you need, if you want to check out the Escalade or whatever, just stop by your Jeep dealership, check these out as well. I'm over here at Coastal Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Quincy, Florida. There's a good look around. We're gonna hop in the back real quick. Very nice touches here, total luxury. I can definitely see the premium upgrade of the Grand Wagoneer compared to the regular Wagoneer that I've driven in the past. And very nice touches here. Metal door handles too. Let's go hop in the back seat. Y'all hang tight. All right, so here's the back seat. Easy access to the third row. Just fold these down. They do come forward. Nice touches there. Actually has a power button, so there you go. You can get in the back easily. Nice touches, just push them back. They do recline if you want to. Very nice touches there. Let's go ahead and hop in real quick. You got the big climate control screen back here in the back. These are ventilated and heated as well. Nice touch right there. You got your 115 volt right here, regular charging port here, and then you got 2 HDMIs there. You got the big screens here on the back of the seat. Very nice touches, nice feel to them, nice solid feel. You do have a panoramic sunroof. You do have fam cam, which is right here, and you do actually have another sunroof back here in the far back. So very nice touches, man. Very nice touches. And there's the third row for you guys. Very nice touches. Got the adjustable vents back there for the AC, leather wrapped armrest back there in the back, HDMI ports back there as well. Nice touches everywhere. This is a premium vehicle, and it does have the Macintosh radio system in here, stereo system. And I'm gonna tell you, I was sitting out here cooling off earlier, and I just turned it up just to see how it sounds. It's very clean, has a nice bass to it. Very nice touches. Let's go check out the cargo area as well. Cargo area pretty easy. Just press the button right underneath the tag bracket right here. You can actually lock the doors from back here as well. Y'all excuse my shadows, the sun is bright. So you do have a subwoofer back here in the back. You can set your height for the door going all the way up right here. You do have a 12 volt cell phone charger there, a cell phone type charger. You do have the ability to fold down the second and the third row from back here. Very nice touches right there. Got all your books. This new 2022. Y'all check it out. Y'all hang tight. We're gonna take it for a spin. All right, crew, we're gonna take the Grand Wagoneer for a spin. I wanna see if it can compete ride quality wise, horsepower ride wise, with the Escalade and the twin turbo Navigator. Let's check it out. All right, so we got push button start. As long as your foot is on the brake, go ahead and press it. The 6.4 comes together with a nice growl. I love the Grand Wagoneer scheme that comes up there. Let's see. Okay for analog. Hold okay for analog. Oh, So you can change the gauges by just holding the OK button here on the steering wheel. I like those set of gauges too, with the speedometer, tachometer. But you also can have the LED screen as well. There's the big screen for the air conditioning controls. It does have navigation, 3D navigation as well. Nice touches. High quality key fob, as y'all can see. Door unlock and lock and unlock. Press it 2 times for the remote start. You can lower it. If somebody's shorter trying to get in, you can press this 2 times. It lowers the vehicle down. 2 times for the lift gate to open up in the back. You got your panic alarm, and it's very nice touch. You got a nice feel to it. We'll just sit this in the cup holder. All right, let's roll. Got these gummy bears. I'm over here at Coastal Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram in Quincy, Florida. They have complimentary stacks in the service waiting room, and you already know I had to get a little something. Just a nice environment up here. I really like this place. They've been so kind to me, and I recommend them. Skylar, come and see him, and he'll take care of you. Tell him you saw it on JRideReviews. So I'm gonna turn the lights on as well, fog lights, just for safety. There's the fog lights. Good view all the way around. The steering has a nice light feel to it. We'll go ahead out here and take this joker for a spin. Steering is really like, I like the little turn signal sound. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's got a nice sound to the V8. So it does have a heads-up display. Up there it does tell you what the speed limit, and it actually tells you what road you're on. That's pretty cool. It got hot today, didn't it, folks? I love this 3D navigation too. Got all my mirrors adjusted. Nice touches there. Go ahead and open up the sunshade. Yay! I love it when it gets light in this thing. And it goes into red when you're going above the speed limit. That's cool. And very visible with the sun behind me. A lot of times things like this get blurred out. So yeah, definitely nice touches here. The air ride suspension feels really good. Now the steering has firmed up. I will say that the steering definitely firmed up once we got rolling. It was real light in the parking lot, which is what you want, just to make this a little bit more easier to maneuver. Smooth operator. This is definitely a premium SUV here. Definitely. All right. So I was able to enjoy this nice serene. It's real quiet in here. Here's our first speed zone. Give it a little acceleration. Oh yeah. It's crazy what Dodge can do with their motors. In every vehicle that you drive, I've driven plenty of 392s and different vehicles, but they all seem just perfect with their tuning, with their capability. Even with this heavy SUV, this thing sounded good. It feels good. It's very responsive. Just nice touches all the way around. Y'all hang tight. Get up here and spin this thing around and give you a braking test, a U-turn, a circle test, and then an acceleration test. Y'all hang tight. All right, so we about to reach our next speed zone. I'm going about 60. We're just gonna test the mid-range punch. This is in auto mode, so we're gonna test the mid-range punch here. Here we go. So she drops down with authority. Feels good, sounds good, and at the same time, smooth as it can be. Smooth, smooth, smooth. So yeah, I think it can compete. It all goes back to preference. Are you a Mopar person? Are you a Ford Motor Company person? Are you a General Motors person? You know, all these vehicles have to compete, not with each other necessarily, but with your wants and your needs. That's where the competition comes into play. Y'all hang tight. We are rolling. Feels good too. The air ride suspension does a good job as well, folks, just to let you guys know. Doesn't feel wallowy or floaty. It just feels composed and smooth. All right, crew, we're gonna go ahead and do the brake test right here. So I'm running a little bit over 70 in this speed zone. I know it drops down right here. Go ahead and test out the brakes on this big boy. Apply pressure, no nosedive, feels secure, nice, feels good. Let's go ahead and do a turn circle test. I'm gonna put it down in sport. Check that out real quick. Turn circle test, feels good. We're gonna stop it right here from a mook and see what she'll do. Here we go. That 6.4 be toting, boy. He gave me nice upshifts, nice strong upshifts. It's obviously it's quiet. It's probably got a couple converters on it, a couple mufflers on it, but the engine grunt, you can hear the engine grunt from up front here, and it sounds good. And in between gear shifts, typical Mopar stuff, it gives you those nice little cracks. So yeah, this is definitely a surprise. It's fast. It's got good mid-range punch. It's definitely something to think about when you drop down on it. It goes. So it's good touches here. Very good touches. Smooth. The ride is very good. Plenty of mid-range punch. It's good stuff. Good stuff here. So yeah, we are getting back. Sorry about the delays in the video. I did another video before this one, and so my camera's battery's dying, but I just wanted to hit on the key points of this Grand Wagoneer. It's amazing. It's good touches all the way around. Very smooth, very composed over the bumps, very good power. This engine wise, of course you're going to get the nice grunt from the 6.4, 470 horsepower, I believe, in this unit. So it'll beat its competition, I think, on the actual horsepower ratings, because the 6.2 is around 420-ish in the GM products, the Escalade, other than the V, which is not, you know, not in competition with this. The V is a whole nother level. Until they come out with a Hellcat version of one of these. We'll see. Never know with Mopar. And then the twin turbo V6 is lacking the sound. You know, twin turbos do their thing, but ain't nothing like a V8. So in conclusion, yes, this can definitely compete in this market. All the tech features, all the luxury features, the looks, the power, the sound, the music. It does another feature I forgot to show you on the interior. This screen over here, it actually has a passenger side screen that you can turn off and on. Nice touches there. Luxury, this all around. This panoramic sunroof. Oh man, just so nice. Very nice touches. And thank y'all guys for watching, by the way. I'm always have an attitude of gratitude, thanking the Lord for these opportunities that are not guaranteed, but with God, everything is possible. And I just thank you guys for watching from the bottom of my heart. Help the channel grow, and hopefully I can promote for businesses in my local area, and wherever. I definitely want to help people. That's my passion, that's my purpose. My job is to inspire. But thank you guys for watching again to the next review. God bless you, God keep you. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Salute.